All right. So the last video I kind of failed at doing joins, so that was an interesting wall that I walked myself into. So this is the setting that I have today. So I want to have like a progression. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tackle basic select, advanced select, and aggregations. We're going to tackle these three later on because they have more advanced levels. We're going to be using views, we're going to be using CTEs, alternative queries, and left joins, inner joins, a lot of those stuff. So I want to focus on getting back my information, getting back my knowledge about select, where, while, wildcards, we've got group by, order bys, having, pretty sure that's alternate queries, but we'll get there. So this is basic. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go from here, and we're gonna use W3 schools for some revision if you need some. And yeah, we're just gonna tackle it from here. You see solve there because I already did it like a year ago. That's we're not gonna count that. Okay. So we had this problem last time as well. Okay, it says the smallest in. Okay, easy. It says select query best. Where the smallest? Okay, it wants the long W. Okay, from station. This is the basic thing that you need to do. It's gonna be where lat n is less than 38.7780, and we're good. Just because it's an integer, let me be sure it's an integer rounded by 4. Okay, we're just gonna say round. We already did revised round as well. It's a common thing that pops up. Let's just run this, and hopefully it's gonna work first time. Okay, didn't work first time. Greater than. Oh, sorry. Greater. Okay, did not work. Wait. Why? Where the smallest is greater than. Oh, what? Query the western. Yes. Where the smallest latitude is greater than this. I mean, what do you want me to do? Why is it? What's the compiler? Like, what would your output? Round four figures, four decimal numbers. I'm doing something wrong again. Okay, let me think about this. Round long this query where the smallest latitude number is the smallest, where the smallest is greater than that. I mean, could the, what am I failing at? Um, Interesting. Am I reading it wrong? Where the smallest latitude in, well, we're querying long, right? We're saying four. Um, what's that? Okay, it's just asking for one, just one. So we can always just do limit one. That should do it. Oh, I mean, I did get it. Huh? Query where the smallest. It doesn't want one, but why is it? I sometimes I don't get these answers. Um, Look, I got it wrong as well. Let me see what the answer is. Oh my god, yeah, this is, I think I did do it right. Um, it's only because, look, let me show you what, okay, why did it, wow, it, yeah, it deselected my everything. Let me do it again. Along W, and from station where, uh, lat n is greater than 38.780, and I'm just gonna go here, say round. It just wants one. It should have specified one, but it didn't specify it. Let me run this and show you what it means actually, which is so dumb. Well, first of all, I need to round it off. It wants the this only this one. I'm thinking. I think so. So we could do is we can order by long first one and say descending and call it limit to one because this is gonna give us the smallest amount of order by lat n actually. It's probably gonna give me an error because I'm not using lat n. No, I should be doing order by long w and limit one. They should do it. Hopefully. Okay. This is quite dumb. The answer is dumb, to be honest. Look, it's a lat and ascending order. I was there but not there. There but not there. Hmm. Almost there. Yeah, this that was not specified, so it's dumb from my perspective. If I run this, it's gonna work. Well, at least I revised this thing. I'm not gonna put that through. Let's just do 16 one. I'm gonna try and okay, it's the same thing again. Okay, let's just do intermediate ones. Yeah, let's just do these. There's only this. Okay, let's try this out. It says easy. Why is it? Okay, now what you're. Oof, this was a lot. Okay, I always get pressured. Query two cities in station with the short. Oh, okay, okay. Shortest and the longest city names as their respective lengths. Okay, we're gonna be using len function. Okay. So first of all, I think we need to understand select city from station and limit this to 5 just to see what the answer is. Um, wait, if there's more than choose the one that comes in alphabetically. We're gonna do that. Okay, so the okay, okay. We are gonna do this and also this city. We're gonna do the other stuff. Don't worry. It says function and does not exist. Okay, let me go see len in SQL. I don't know how to cover it. It does exist. It exists. Look, it's a length function as len. It should exist. I don't know why it said it doesn't. King, if it does not exist, why doesn't it exist? Let me go see. Hmm. Oh, it's length for MySQL. Okay, my bad. Sometimes you confuse yourself. Even I confuse myself with the syntax. So that's something that occurs. Now, look, we get this output. Now we just need to do what it's asking us to do. Okay, it's asking us to get query the cities in station with the shortest and the longest city name. Okay. Okay, so explanation is the city names are ABCD, okay, with lengths 334, the longest is yay. There are three options, the shortest, choose A, B, okay. First, we need to do is, we need to get the highest and the lowest one. Okay. So we're going to get the maximum and the lowest one. If there's more than, wait, we're two series with the shortest and the longest. Interesting. There's two things how I could do it. I could either hard code that, or I could um, min max it. I'm trying to see how could I do this. Like, there's two ways I can do this. Let's just do it the dumb way. You can write two separate characters to get your desired. It does not need to be nice. Nice, 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 nice. That's. I mean that. Oof. I let's just do view SQL. Let's just explore a new concept that I have forgotten about. So let's just do this, right? It's been a long time that I wanted to use this. So let's just say view name is just gonna be short city. Okay. And the column we're going to be looking at is city, and we're going to get the length of city as well. Okay. And the die station. So station where the clause is the length needs to be the maximum length. So it doesn't need to have this. What's gonna have is order by second one, and we're gonna do ascending order. Ascending basically means from highest to lowest. So yeah, descending, yeah, descending is actually what it means. You know, I wanted descending, I wanted to be highest to the lowest. And I'm just gonna limit it to one. So this is gonna give me the highest one, I think. It's actually not gonna give me anything because I didn't use it. How do I output this? How do I use this then? I need to use it then. Key, key. Wait, do I need to put? I need to. Okay. Wait, as wait, huh? Why is it like this? Let me see. Is it MySQL or SQL? I need to see MySQL. No, 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 no. Let me do MySQL, please. Wait, just give me 2 seconds. Um, yeah, let me try this out. Okay, because the view was created. So let me go here and let me say short city. Hopefully this allows views to run. Oh, it allows views to run, so that is good. Nice. Okay, that is nice. Okay, so we got that the shortest one, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna create another view, and that view is just gonna get the longest city. Long city. No, it's what? Wait, to be ascending. But this is gonna be long. Char is supposed to give me. It's actually gonna give me four, and let me do this again, just because it says that look, okay. So now the problem is, it says we have this alphabetically. We want to choose that comes first. So we're gonna just say order by this, um, and also it's gonna all be also ordered by the first column, which is gonna be descending. Descending means from highest. No, this is also gonna be. This is how everything should be working, because you need to. Okay, it says limit. This is, I think this is a better way of me doing or solving stuff. It's okay. There's a problem with what is it? Okay. Sometimes you make the dumb decisions, and this is me making dumb decisions now. Ammo is front. That's nice. So I'm just gonna say limit to one. We're gonna copy this view again. Just give me 2 seconds. Let me be back with you. All right, where were we? Just a little bit of a hiccup. Okay, so this is done. We've got an ammo. Okay, so ammo. We're going to make another view, which is going to be um, it's going to collect the longest city, long city, and what did it say? There's more than choose one. Let's just do it. for now, let's just make it as SD, and then I want to see what the result is, and then I'm going to move forward with it. Okay. Let me, from here, let me go for the long city. Long. Yeah, everything seems like it's working. Let's do this and see if it throws an error or not. Oh, okay. So we're getting only 21. Okay, so that makes it means everything is working perfectly. So from here, what I can do is, I'm gonna say select everything from um, there's gonna be select everything from short city, short city, city, and yeah, that should do it. I hope so. Yeah, look, nice. Even though I could have done it, I wanna try something. Um, if I went here and I said long city, and just do that, is it going to work? I want to see that. It's gonna stack it, right? It is. Okay. Well, no, 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 no. What? Let me see what's the difference that happened. Well, this is going side by side, and that's not what we want. We want it stacked. So I think, yeah, this is way better than, yeah, okay, that makes sense. That is that. Um, I'm gonna do another one, and let's just post this first, and we go from there, okay? I went and checked how many points I got with this, and I got 30 points, which is nice. Let me go check what I did a year ago. I want to see what I did. This is me a year ago when I did this. Well, if it loads properly, then sure I'll show you guys. It's loading, loading, test case. This is what I did. I mean, I just made two queries, which also works, but I just wanted to revise some, yeah, queries. Views are really important. Exactly how CTs are important. You will get those in a while. You'll understand what I mean. Let me go to medium now. I think I'm getting a bit. Ooh, ooh, I don't like this. But you know what? We're gonna do it. Okay. Let's go with this. Okay. Hopefully, I don't get destroyed with the weather observation station ones. This is gonna be the last one that we're gonna do today. Hopefully, because I've got other stuff to do. But yeah, hopefully this gives me some boost of confidence. So yes, tomorrow I can get myself into joins because joins destroy me every single time. Um, a median is defined as a number separating the highest half of the okay and the lowest half. Query the median. First things I'm gonna check is median median function in MySQL. That's always important to check Google, see if there's like something which can be done. Okay, you have to manually do it. Okay, so I'm gonna try and do it myself first because of course maths. But yeah, query the median of that round the okay. So median. It's not the mean, it's the median. I know what median is. So first, I think what I want to do is I want to count everything and tell me how many stuff do we have. Find the query the lat. Okay, count how many rows we have for lat. Tell me that because it's gonna make it easier for me. It's 499, so that's an odd number. That basically tells me that if I go from the left side and the right side, wait, do I remember it properly or do I not? Let me press this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, if it's odd, that basically means there's a middle number. Now, how do I get that? Is the question. Um, okay, doing it two ways. This is going to be, how do I, okay, I want to see how do I comment, yes, use this. this is gonna be the higher half, and I'm gonna say create view higher half as, and we're gonna have I need to remember select select. We're just gonna have lat, and we're just gonna select that from station. Okay. We're gonna have that for now. Okay. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have the higher half. So it's gonna be okay. So I'm gonna order by ascending first one, and ascending would do is we would go from bottom from the first to the last. So I want the last one, right? So I am gonna do is I'm gonna do descending, and I'm gonna say limit one. So I'm gonna get the lower end of it. Yeah. But this is not doing me any favors. I need to find the middle one. Let me think about this. I just split the yeah, yeah. I should do ascending, and limit it by 499 divided by 2. Yes, that actually that is where it should be. And or there's actually another one that I could do. Um, I could oh wait. I could do wait, let me wait, I think I got it. I think I got it. This, and then count lat n like this, and say from station, and just limit it to, I want to limit to 10, and I wanted to count lat n as it goes, or propagate it away. I want to see if it propagates. Okay, it says for me to group it back. Group by by the person. Okay, there you go. Have a nice day. I'm probably doing it wrong, but not going to work. How do I? Is it a cum sum? Cum sum. Oh, cumulative sum differential function. Set to add ID colon. I wanna like give it an ID and just yeah do that. Um, I'm gonna change the actual data table, to be honest. I don't want this either. How am I gonna get the middle one then? Divide by 2 and then say, okay, where this is where that is. Basically what I'm trying to say. Hmm. Wait. I just realized I literally just realized. Wait. What is the ID doing? Is it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or is it? Hopefully it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because that's gonna make it so easier for me. It definitely is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's randomly optimized. If I order by the first one and say it's ascending, it increases. I want the middle one. How am I gonna get the middle one? I want to split the thing into that and try to find. I'll have to do it manually. I gotta have to do it manually then. That's the only way. Yeah, that can only be the way. Um, I'll have to limit by 499 divided by 2 is 2, 4. I don't like this. I don't like having to do this 249. That's not how it's supposed to be done though. I'm sure. How will I tackle this? I could, I could, but how do I limit it though? My brain just worked. My brain actually just started working. Yeah, let's just do this. Makes a lot of sense to me. Let me do. Sorry, okay. This is going to this is gonna get us ascending, basically just increasing. This is gonna be the lower ends half, okay, and then higher higher ends half. Hopefully it works. I'm articulating, I'm basically doing is ascending and cut it off there, and then the other one I'm gonna split it, and the last one I'm gonna pick both of them, but that is done by the third query. It's gonna pick the limit by one, I think. Um, Hopefully this works. Theoretically, that works because okay, ascending from this to this, if it stops at 50, um, right? Um, this one, the first query, um, that would mean that this descending would have as opposite and it would stop at this 249. Yes, so that would mean the 249th position is where it is. It's going to actually give us the same thing, right? So we need to create a view for this. Create view, and we're going to say higher end as this, and then for let me just be sure if my select these are working. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the main main. This is quite dumb of me to be doing this way, but I think this is the only way that I articulated it. Select. I'm gonna select lower end. Um. No. Wait. No. Everything. No. Everything from lower end, but I'm gonna just limit it to one. This, and I want to do it the second way. They should have the same thing, hopefully. If we don't, then it's odd number. They're supposed to be just one. Okay, they're just giving me different things. It's odd numbers, right? That would mean a plus this, and I think no. It's odd numbers. There's supposed to be one number, which is going to be in the middle. So it's going to be 50. Both of them should have the same number. One has that, the other one has that. It actually doesn't have the same number. And I'm missing the last one. I think it's 244. So let me just, I'm gonna try my luck. I'm actually just gonna try my luck. And then I'm gonna say round by 4. Let's see what happens. Wait, I think I'm doing it wrong. Order by, what am I trying to do? No. How am I trying to do this? So if it's going from ascending order, it's going from one till the highest one. And if I cut it from the middle, which is okay, okay, what I mean, it's missing one. So if I do 250 and then 250 from that side, it's gonna be one. Yeah, both of them need to be 250. 250. Ascending, I cut it off under 250th one, and I select it's ascending. So I limit it to the, and I need to order this by, I need to order it the other way. Uh, Order by the first one, and it needs to be ascending. Then I get that, and um, 83. And for this, I just say it's ordered by descending, descending, and I'll probably get the same one that verifies my thing. Yeah, I mean, that was it. Um, yeah, wow. Um, well, that was interesting to do. I think I really need like this. I just need this. Yeah, look. Um, yeah, I didn't even need this, to be honest. I think I was trying to solve it using the even number, because that's how you do the even one. Because I've gotten both of them, and but I wanted to go see, and I want you guys to see as well what I had a few years ago as well. Okay, I used to be cracked. Look, I did the index one. Yeah, I set the index, and then you know what? Either look at this or you look at this. Which one do you think is better? I'd say this one is way better. I just made a query, and I was like, you know what? I didn't change anything, and we've gotten this because it's good practice that we do not um, change the primary database. Let's go into discussion just to see top 50%. Yeah, he's done it differently. I've used MySQL. He's used the CTE method. Yeah, CTE views are pretty much the same thing from my understanding, but I could be wrong as well. Anyway, that wraps up our work. I wanted to do new companies and binary tree nodes, but we'll tackle those I think tomorrow or something like that. For now, I think that is it. Have a nice day, and hopefully we don't fail tomorrow. But we did this. It's quite a refresher on views, and I've gone up to standard with my stuff. Anyways, thank you. Bye bye.